Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Salesforce marketing visuals using brand templates, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Salesforce and log into your account. Navigate to the Marketing Cloud dashboard. Click on the Content tab to access the Content Management area. Select brand templates from the available options. Click on Create New Template to start building your brand visuals. Choose the type of template you want to create, such as email or social media. Input a name for your template that reflects its purpose. Define the layout by selecting a pre-existing design or creating a custom layout from scratch. Customize the color scheme to align with your brand's identity. Add your logo by uploading it from your device or selecting it from the asset library. Incorporate brand-specific fonts to maintain consistency across all visuals. Define the image placeholders where you want to insert visuals later. Utilize the drag and drop feature to arrange content blocks within the template. Add text blocks for headlines, subheadings, and body content. In the text blocks, input placeholder text that can be replaced later. Ensure that all elements are aligned according to your design preferences. Preview the template to review your configurations. Save the template once you are satisfied with your design. If necessary, set permissions to control who can access and edit the template. Test the template by sending a preview email or posting on social media. Make any adjustments based on feedback or personal review. Once finalized, your template is ready for use in creating marketing visuals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.